Welcome to the Tennery, where modern luxury meets urban convenience in the heart of Bukit Panjang. Step into this well-designed two-bedroom residence, offering 937 square feet of thoughtfully planned living space. With its stylish renovations and high ceilings, every corner of this home displays comfort and elegance. Our open concept kitchen is efficiently designed, complete with tons of functional cabinet and a separate island top that can double up as a dining space. The generous ceiling height throughout the entire unit amplifies the feeling of openness and space. Whether you are a couple embarking on a new journey or a small family seeking the perfect home, the Tennery offers a lifestyle of comfort, convenience, and sophistication. Experience the best of urban living at the Tennery. Beyond the walls of your home, the Tennery offers an array of amenities for residents to enjoy. You can take a refreshing dip in the pool or simply unwind amidst the serene landscape gardens. Conveniently situated just a stone throw away from Bukit Panjang MRT station, commuting is a breeze for residents of the Tennery. With its easy access to public transportation, getting around the city has never been easier. From everyday essentials to dining options, everything you need is right at your doorstep. Explore the nearby supermarkets for your grocery needs, or indulge in a delicious meal at one of the many restaurants and cafes in the neighborhood. Thank you for watching our home tour of this amazing unit here at the Tennery. If you are interested in this unit, do contact me to find out more. Once again, this is Cheryl from OrangeTee and Thai, AAG Division, signing off.